still exchanging your time for money? That's the trap. You work, you earn. You stop, the income stops. That's the time for money trap. And it's why so many people stay stuck. But what if you could earn every month without doing the work again and again? That is called residual income. And no, you don't need to write a hit song or to buy rental property. I use a fully registered and regulated system where you get paid every time when someone pays for a service they already want, like funeral cover or tax-free investment or anything that you really need. Want the details? Comment freedom and I'll send you a short voice note and an info pack. It changed my life and it could change yours too. Just contact me. My number is in the bio.